This is a Cornish hospital and yes, lift tour time. Now to our first lift, which is an awesome, incredibly rare 1920s Marriott's with no Scott. This lift predates Scott joining Marriott's, and this is the oldest one of these I've ever seen. It's from the early 20s, and the nameplate just says Marriott's, not Marriott Scott, just Marriott's. That is just so old. Amazing this lift survived. It's completely original, apart from the fact the buttons were replaced in the 70s, and to stop people going in this lift, they've added magnets to the outer doors. Quite a clever way of doing this, because first of all, I have not altered the logic in any way to do this. They've just added magnets on the outer doors and with a swipe card to release the magnets, and that pretty much stopped me getting in this lift, but I managed to find a nice person to let me ride it.
Right, are you ready for the ride of your life?
And now to the next lift, which is a 1980s lift, which has been horribly modernised.
Lift going up. Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now to the next lift, which is an awesome 1938 EA folds lift. And this lift's completely original, apart from buttons being replaced in the 70s, and is totally awesome.